Welcome back to Auto Reviews, your go-to channel for in-depth bike reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 GasGas MC 450F, a motocross machine built for speed, power, and precision. Whether you're a competitive racer or an off-road enthusiast, this bike is designed to push limits. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know about this beast, from its history to its performance and key features. The GasGas MC 450F is a high-performance motocross bike designed for off-road and track racing. GasGas, a Spanish brand known for its excellence in off-road motorcycles, initially specialized in trial and enduro bikes. However, after KTM acquired the brand in 2019, GasGas expanded its lineup into the motocross world. The MC 450F is a result of this evolution, combining the aggressive racing DNA of KTM with GasGas's unique riding experience. The bike is built for speed, agility, and durability, making it a top choice for professional racers. When it comes to popularity, the GasGas MC 450F has gained a strong following in the United States, Canada, and Europe, where motocross and off-road racing are widely embraced. The bike is also making waves in Australia, where off-road biking culture is thriving. With the support of KTM's vast dealer network, GasGas motorcycles, including the MC 450F, have seen significant growth in sales, making them a serious competitor in the motocross market. The MC 450F has become a fan favorite due to its lightweight chassis, race-ready performance, and premium components. Motocross riders appreciate its smooth power delivery and precision handling, making it one of the most sought-after bikes in the segment. Its striking red color scheme and aggressive styling make it instantly recognizable on the track. Whether you're an amateur or a pro, the MC 450F delivers a thrilling riding experience that keeps you ahead of the competition. Performance-wise, the GasGas MC 450F is powered by a 450 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine, delivering explosive power and torque. The bike's lightweight chromium-molybdenum frame ensures excellent agility, while its advanced WP-ZACT suspension system provides superior shock absorption, allowing riders to tackle rough terrains with ease. The Brembo hydraulic braking system ensures precise stopping power, making it a well-balanced machine for both speed and control. Fuel efficiency is not a major concern in the motocross world, but the MC 450F still manages to offer decent mileage thanks to its efficient fuel injection system. While it's built for high-performance racing, riders can expect a reasonable range before refueling, depending on riding conditions and throttle usage. In terms of capabilities, the MC 450F excels in track performance, jumps, and sharp cornering. Its lightweight build enhances maneuverability, while its powerful engine ensures quick acceleration. The bike's ergonomics, including a slim body design and comfortable seat height, allow for better rider control, making it perfect for aggressive racing. Key features of the GasGas MC 450F include an electric start system, a high-performance Keihin fuel injection system, a durable 6-speed gearbox, and premium Maxxis tires for superior grip. The bike also features a state-of-the-art airbox design that allows for easy filter changes, making maintenance hassle-free. The price of the 2025 GasGas MC 450F is expected to be around $10,500 to $11,000, depending on the dealer and location. Given its race-ready features, high-end components, and KTM-inspired engineering, the bike offers excellent value for serious motocross riders. What makes the GasGas MC 450F a great buy is its combination of power, precision, and reliability. Riders looking for a motocross bike that delivers top-tier performance without compromise will find it to be a solid investment. Whether you're looking to compete or simply enjoy high-adrenaline off-road adventures, this bike will not disappoint. What do you think about the new GasGas MC 450F? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Reviews for more in-depth bike reviews. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update.